Everyone, we are going to discuss about carbon dioxide.
Can you explain what is carbon dioxide?
Carbon dioxide is an acidic colorless gas with a density about 53% higher than that of dry air. Carbon dioxide molecules consist of carbon atoms covalently double bonded to two oxygen atoms. It occurs naturally in Earth's atmosphere as a trace gas.
What is carbon dioxide is used for?
Carbon dioxide is used as a refrigerant in fire extinguishers, for inflating life rafts and life jackets, blasting coal, forming rubber and plastics, promoting the growth of plants in greenhouses, immobilizing animals before slaughter, and in carbonated beverages.
How the carbon dioxide is contribute to climatic change?
Carbon dioxide is a greenhouse gas, a gas that absorbs and radiates heat, but increases the greenhouse gases have tipped the Earth's energy budget out of balance, tapping additional heat and raising Earth's average temperature. Carbon dioxide is the most important the Earth's long-lived greenhouse gas.
How the plastic affect to the climatic change?
In 2014, Americans discarded about 33.6 million tons of plastic, but only 9.5% of it was reclaimed and 15% used to create electricity or heat. Most of the rest ends up the landfills, where it may take up to 500 years to decompose and potentially leak pollutants into the soil and water.
Climate change.
Climate change refers to long-term shifts in temperature and weather patterns. These shifts may be natural, but since the source, human activities have been the main driver of climate change, primarily due to the burning of fossil fuels like coal, oil, and gas, which produces heat-trapping gases.
How does plastic produce carbon dioxide?
The overwhelming majority of plastic resins come from petroleum, which requires extraction and distillation, dumping, incineration, recycling, and composting for certain plastic. All release carbon dioxide. All told, the emissions from plastic in 2015 were equivalent to nearly 118 billion metric tons of carbon dioxide.
Carbon dioxide does plastic produces?
According to the EPA, approximately 1 ounce of carbon dioxide is emitted for each ounce of polythene produced. PET is the type of plastic most commonly used for beverage bottles. Other sources pin the production ratio of carbon emissions to plastic production closer to 5.1.
For reducing plastic consumption.
Avoid single-use plastic such as drinking straws. If you're shopping, remember to take a cloth bag. Recycle chewing gum. It's also made of plastic. Buy more bulk food and fewer packaged products. Replace plastic toppers for glass or steel containers.
Reducing plastic waste.
Consuming less plastic saves animals. Consuming less plastic can save humans. Less plastic makes our water cleaner. Less plastic makes our food safer. Less plastic makes our air safer.
How to reduce plastic waste at home?
Say no to cellophane wrapped products. Store your leftovers with silicone covers. Reuse your glass jars after removing the labels. Avoid tea bags and use a tea strainer. Change your plastic sponge for a natural sponge or tougher. How water get polluted by plastic?
Microplastic have been detected in water around the world, including our streams, rivers, lakes, and oceans. In these waterways, the microplastic end up in the water we drink and fish we eat, including shellfish. Once the plastic is eaten, it cannot be digested and ends up harming the animals by loading in the gut.